Hello guys, welcome to Congrats Moms channel here in Kenya, Africa. Coming live from the village guys. Here I'm in the village where I was born. This is my home area and I'm from school, so I decided to show you something, an adventure, serious adventure. My title is Enjoy My Adventure guys. So today, check the bushes. Welcome. Big stones, waterfalls, and many other things. New adventure is my title. Welcome. You see here, we have the rocks. Here we have bushes. So guys, here we are starting with the rocks. You see the rocks are so nice. They can even wash clothes and spread them here. You know here, this is where they wash clothes and put the clothes here to dry. You can see even seats here. Let me show you how. You see, I sit here and enjoy. You see how I'm seated, guys? So beautiful. Check the rocks. So nice. Wow. We also have fruits here. Can we show you? You see here, we have the passion fruits in the villages. This is called passion fruit, guys. You see, there's a fruit here, which they had put here. It's a passion fruit, but it is found in the villages. Wow, look at this. Beautiful trees, eh? The scenery is so beautiful, guys. Look at the scenery, look at the scenery, look at the scenery. Look at the scenery over there, so beautiful. So let's see how this place looks like. See? Like this place here. So beautiful. Check another rock. It's another rock here, so beautiful, where people just sit and you can even sleep and enjoy. You can even sleep here. Look at this. These are things that we eat. They are fruits. You see? Guys, you see? They are eaten. I don't know the name. You tell us the name of this tree. You see? Fruits that are in the bush. Very organic, guys. Quite organic. So, we are showing you how this place looks like. Look at this. Here you will enjoy the. So guys, here, you see these rocks. Nobody will ask you to buy them. You just come, uproot them, and go and do your construction. Here people are so kind and lovely. The rocks they were created by God naturally. Nobody will say these are my rocks. Nothing like that. This is there. It is in the interior villages. You see how these villages look like? It's very interior. Quite interior. You see this place? Oh wow. So let's see. Beyond the river, here there is a river, this is a valley. Over there you can see over that there are many stones for construction, guys. You see, God gave us resources here in Africa free of charge. If you come here with your tiba, you will get tons full of 10 tibas. You can see also over there we have very beautiful, those are materials for making baskets. We call them palm trees. You see the palm trees over there? There's no bridge you can use to go over there to show you, but you are able to see.
Explain.
See here, there are goats. Goats are here. People are grazing goats here. It's wonderful to see at the goats. Wow. There's also an oil inside there. It's also good. Okay. We are showing him about something, so stop. So guys, it is hard to go down. You see how I'm going down? I want to crawl. Almost crawling, you have to go slowly. 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 You have to go slowly. You can down. You see here? You can sit and rest. See here. It's a very nice place to sit. A new adventure in the villages. Wow. New villages. See here the goats. The goats are here. See the goats. The goats are grazing, guys, and they'll give two. They'll give twins. Double. Look at the type of grass here. What is the name of this grass? You tell me this type of grass. I have not seen this type of grass. It is like that grass that we normally grow. You will tell me the name down below the comments. So, this grass, what do you call it? You see the name? Tell me the name of this grass. So you can say I cannot go. I have to go for it. Cold. I'm almost falling. Waterfall. Wow. Look at that. Guys, look at the water. Look at the waterfall. They enjoy. There, if you go there, you will break. You cannot go there. Look at the waterfall. There's another one here. Wow! Hey, look at this guy. Wonderful. You see? So, how you want to take that? Wow, I'm trying. you can see an adventure today. Really enjoy the waterfalls. Today, Congress Mom is here. Wow. I have put that in now. I don't want to move from here without washing my legs. I've already washed in this waterfall, guys. Wow! 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 Here. So guys, I'm so grateful to my Creator God because in my lifetime I've never come across this waterfall. I'm so grateful. God has given me an opportunity to be in the waterfall today since I was born. I've never come to this adventure. You can see God's creation, how it is. Wonderful creation. This is telling us that our God is a wonderful God. So I'm very happy to be in this new place. I'm also with say hello.
This is Uncle Mom from Kenya. I'm just very happy to welcome you back in this place. Say congrats, Mom. We are here this way, guys. Enjoy the video. Give a video like you see the waterfall the way they are.
Yes, guys, we are so
amazing
happy
today to be here. Enjoy the video.
Day.
Enjoy the video. Give a video like, share, comment. We miss you here. If you reach this place, you never remain the same. We see amazing things taking place here, guys. Enjoy the video. Give a video like, check the waterfall coming from that angle. This way. Check the scenery. Even congrats, Mom is wondering. Check the scenery.
Really wondered, guys. Since I was born, I've never visited this nice place. Subscribe to Uncle Mo's channel. He's the one who has made me to reach here. I'm so happy, guys. So today I'm bringing you a new content. Wow.
Nice waterfall. Guys, if you step there, you will fall down.
Guys, didn't come on and see this and enjoy.
Enjoy the video. Don't go down, it's deep.
Enjoy.
Wow, guys.
Wow,
see that way waterfall moving.
So guys, we are so grateful. Thank you. You enjoy watching with us.
Guys, enjoy the video. We give a video like us. We are here in this waterfall. Not only us, even you see the other fathers. They are also here taking showers, making things their own. They are enjoying the waterfall movement of water.
Shower here.
Yeah, this where people take shower and visit. Us here, we traveled. We found the people saying, "Let us check waterfall."
Yes.
Guys, if you really want to reach this waterfall, next time we'll be down there. Tukija wakati mwingine, tutatembea pale chini pale.
So guys, we are saying if you come next time, we shall be
Down the really waterfall.
Because we don't know how to pass and go down there.
Guy, we look for a guy who knows the adventure this place. He will make us reach other point. But today, we are here. Enjoy the video. You give a video like as we are saying. We are leaving this place in our own pressure. Guys, you can even see the kids. They are just coming in. Slow but sure. You know, many people just come in this waterfall. Aya tata. Ay. Guys, you are waving. Not only us, you can just even see. Yeah. Ruti. Anjo. Next time we'll be reaching that point. See guys, people that are just coming into this waterfall. Marabo. Marabo. Guys, even you can just even the kids, they are going to the river. You know that's a very big place. People go there. You can just see from these angles the way people go to the. See even the guy parked here, the original motorcycle here. This is a bike. They park their bike here. They go down to that waterfall. Going it easier.
Oh, guys, I'm so happy reaching the national. You see, this one is a natural waterfall. And God created it so nicely. We have enjoyed that place. You see, the scenery is wonderful. Look at the other side.
Me, I'm just happy seeing many people that are just coming into waterfall. See, even the guy.
He came to take shower here. And
they are enjoying waterfall. Even those kids, you see people, students, they are coming. Many people that are coming in this waterfall.
Yes. Wow.
Guys, enjoy the video. Give a video like, subscribe. Congrats, mom. You are just watching the scenery of this beautiful area. Who can guess the real place? No one can know this place. As soon but we'll be seeing many people coming in this village. You see guys, this you see even you can just see a matchbox. This one will tell you people just come and relax here. This is enjoyment area. You see even people the way they eat here, fruits, natural fruits.
The wild fruits guys are full.
Another thing you can tell you people they just come here. You can just see they burn here corns because there is charcoals.
Yes.
You see, people just come and hide here and they not in a bad mood, they just come and enjoy in free time.
Guys, like me, I've relaxed there.
In free time.
And you know you don't pay anything. You just come, enjoy yourself. Look at this wonderful. Look at this.
Okay, this natural visit.
Come and see this one. Look at this. You know this one, guys? When we were young, we used to get this kind of leaves. And they were, you see this decoration after smearing the house traditional mud, using a mud, you come get this leaf. I don't know what it is called in the comment section below. Then you make some decorations. The house, you make decorations, you move this way, you move, and this will make decoration in the house. So I must go with this to go and show people that I was in a new adventure, which I have never reached in my life. Look at this. They are also wonderful. You see, this is like the coast. Are you able to see the palm trees? The palm trees are here, guys, to show you that this is a wonderful place. So in future, if we get somebody to build here, I'm suggesting that if somebody, because this is near this place is near a secondary school, so they can also make this place to be a touring center. They can build here and make this place a touring center, which people will come and enjoy and be happy and relax. That's what I'm suggesting, guys. So this, look at this leaf. Very decorative, this leaf. Yes. So nice.
Finally, guys, you see the way the scenery of this place. I know you really like this place. I know people they will be coming this place, but it is your challenges to know the place.
Look at the flowers, guys. One day I'll come for them and I go and plant in my home. See? You see the flowers?
You can carry
see
a sample.
Flower? I've just carried a sample, guys, to go and see if I can plant in my place. Because you don't come in a place and live without. You have to get something new from that place. So I've carried some flowers. It's a nice place to visit. So nice place to visit. Hello guys, look at the traditional structure. Somebody is constructing a structure here. I don't know whether it's a home or what, but he's using unique materials. You see, let me see what type of materials are these. Let me see. You see here guys, we have the sisal that is grown in the coast. That's the sisal tree. Wow, sisal tree. So guys, look at the stones. Wonderful stones in this area. They are naturally found. They were made by God naturally, and they are very many. Look at the scenery. Look, so beautiful. Now here, I want to show you something. Look at the trees. Wow, look at this. Wow, guys. Today is a really adventure. Look at this one now. This is a palm tree, a natural palm tree, which is not found in your home anymore. And this palm tree, the fruits you see, I cannot reach them. They are far away. I cannot touch them, guys. And you see, those, the seeds. The seeds can make beads. And also, from the seeds, you can make many items. When you cut, uh, you see the seeds? There is something that is holding the seeds. Are you seeing? You see? Let me be far a bit. This is a wonderful place. Wow. So guys, are you seeing? You come and cut, and the seeds are very many. You see how the seeds are falling down? Seeds are falling down. Look at that. Seeds are falling down, and you can collect the seeds, go and plant. You see the seeds? It's a wonderful tree. They have stayed here for many years, guys. Look at this. I wanted to get hold of the fruits, but they are very far. You see where the fruits are attached? If you cut that kind of, you see the branch that is holding the fruits, that one is used for making items. Even those seeds, when you dry them, you can also make some items. You can make the work of art. You can decorate. You can even draw the map of Africa and the countries. You can use them to mark certain countries, guys. So you see there, you see how this tree looks like. So beautiful. Wow, guys, so nice. Look at that. Look at this tree. I cannot touch it because it's very far. Wow, so beautiful. These are very wonderful scenery. Look at the scenery, guys. Look at this place. So I wish one day you come and also enjoy the place. Wow, look how the place looks like. So beautiful. Wow. So I've said that those seeds, you can see the green ones. The green ones can also be used in the work of art. You draw, and then you can show different countries. Yes, you can show different countries. You use glue and you glue them, and you can really make a wonderful work of art. So those who are very creative in the work of art and they are innovative, you reach in this place, you can collect the materials. Wow, guys, so wonderful. See, natural tones. You see, look how they look like. So beautiful. I don't know the name. The name you tell me in the comment section below. Look at the stones. How they are beautiful. Look at that scenery. Look at that. Wow. I wanted to show you how this place looks like. Look at the stones. How beautiful they are. They are unique stones here. See, like this one here. See how unique it is? So unique. Wow. Look. Look at the stones, guys. So beautiful. So I'm just from the waterfall and I've decided to show you all the scenery. It's a beautiful scenery, very beautiful. See how somebody's constructing here a house? So that when people visit this place, they can rest here and even take soda so that this place may look developed. So we are praying for this place, that this place people may have a vision to construct a building here so that when visitors visit this place, they are able to rest and see the kind of stones like this one. You can grind. You can grind using this. You see how flat it is, naturally flat. Look how they are. So there is a lot to learn here. Yes. Look at that. It's also sand harvesting. Wow. So guys, you can see the road. You can see the features. So beautiful. Wow. So we are leaving the scenery. We are now going back home. That's where we came from. We are along the road. So we are heading home. Yeah, that's Uncle Mo. You subscribe to his channel. Don't forget my channel, guys. Road 50K. You are wonderful people. Wow. So guys, we are on the motorbike. You can see the scenery now. Very beautiful. See, we are now moving home at the road. Wow. Flowers.
So guys, from here it is an indication of telling you people take water here.
Yes, guys. So here there is a nice place. Look at the tree. These trees, wherever there are trees, they bring rain. And this one has a unique water, which people drink without boiling, guys, here in Africa. So when you come here, you'll enjoy this big tree. It's a very big tree here, guys. Look. And it has a nice shade. A nice shade, a beautiful shade. Look how we are moving slowly. Look what is happening down in the valley. All the erosion that is taking place from up here, taking down to the wonderful garden. There is a banana garden here. Plant. You see the type of plants that are grown here. Look at the bananas. So big. And you know there are rocks here, guys. Look at the rocks.
Water coming from the rock. They are very pure, clean
there
water.
There is water coming from this rock. So we want to show you a nice adventure. Look at the valley. Look at down there. So here is a rock, very tough rock.
You can just see even banana from this area.
Very
because it is next to the water. They are coming deep.
Soils. Look at this. Volcanic soil. Look at the soils. Volcanic. So fertile. Guys, look at the bananas. If the owner was here, I could ask him to give me one to go and plant. See? So here, the government has done a lot. You see, there is something inside here. And they're knocking. Are you seeing here? That's
chlorine.
Chlorine is put here. And this chlorine is, which date was this? Some date. So there's chlorine inside here, guys. What is the use of this chlorine? You tell me in the comment down below. So look at this. Look at this water. So they bring a bucket here They get water. This is
Guys, they put things like this way.
yes. You see, that's how they get water. Yes. So they use this. So this place. See here, they have steps. If you are a needy person who cannot climb here, it means that people assist you to fetch because there are steps here. You see the steps. You move down here. Look at this one. Let me wash my hands. You see here? So clean. So guys, so happy to be here. See the trees so big. You see this kind of there is a avocado tree which can give you thousands and thousands of fruits. Today is really an adventure. Guys, look at the adventure. Wow.
Amazing, guys.
Look at even the flowers that are found with you. So beautiful. This person was very wise. The person who utilized this place to make sure even this other part can be put bananas. Not planting bananas because there is that erosion coming from top and bringing down the fertile soils. You see, very big bananas. These are blessed land. In Africa, there's a lot of food. So guys, I'm very, very grateful for this wonderful adventure. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe to the channel. Road to 50K guys. Subscribe kindly and share the video to your friends. Give a comment down below. Don't forget guys. Yes, look, I'm so grateful for the adventure of this day. And God bless you. Bye bye. See you next time guys. Bye.